Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to transform your desktop with an awesome car theme. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want a fresh new look for your computer, this tutorial is for you. First, we need to find some high quality car wallpapers. Head over to websites like Unsplash or Pexels and search for car wallpapers. So let me just do that. Search for pictures like car. Download a few that you like, few pictures that you might like this one. Choose wallpapers that are high resolution for the best quality. Next, let's set one of the wallpaper as your desktop background. On Windows, after you've downloaded it, on Windows, right click on the desktop and select personalize. And then on background, on Mac, go to System Preferences, then click Desktop and Screensaver and choose your new wallpaper. You can set up a slideshow to cycle through multiple wallpapers as well. Simply choose on Personalize your wallpaper and here click on Browse and choose the picture you've just downloaded. Now let's customize your desktop icons to match the car theme. Websites like Icon Archive and DeviantArt have tons of car-themed icons. Download your favorite ones. On Windows, then right-click on the icon you want to change. For example, let's do this. And select Properties. Then click on Change Icon. Browse to your downloads and select it. On Mac, right-click the icon, choose Get Info, drag the new icon onto the existing one in the info panel. Now, let's not forget about the cursor. Download a car-themed cursor set from websites like RW Designer. Let me show you. Go to website like RW Designer. Simply, after you've downloaded, right click on Windows and open Settings. Then go to Devices. Then click on Mouse and click on Mouse Pointer. Go to Mouse Pointer Style and select a new cursor. Mac users will need a third-party app like Mousescape to change the cursor. Save your cursor scheme so you can easily switch back if needed. For extra flair, you can add car-themed widgets using Rainmeter for Windows or Geek Tool for Mac. Browse Rainmeter skins for car themes, download and install them. And there you have it, a fully customized car themed desktop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.